tiger. But I go to sleep. I went to sleep for my dream. For my dream. Mom, where am I? Mommy? Yes. Where am I? I don't know. Maybe I'm in two. I'm in three. My three. Me two. All of the three. What? Well, let's go for vacation. Okay. Okay, everybody. So I'm good for Carter. Oops, I dropped. Well, I think it is with this. Put on the suit, mommy. Well, I don't care. Okay, ma'am, you ready to be baby seat? Okay. Well, you're good. Come on. Thank you. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, you're good. You're good to do good job. Thank you. Thank you, man. Okay. You're good. You too. You too? Yep. You. Okay. You too. Okay, I'm going to be I'm going to be hop. Mommy, don't wait. Don't wait for us. Yeah, what are you doing? I'm going to be a sandwich. Well, I think it's to be. Come on, you girls and boys, stop think. Let's go for the vacation. I want here. Okay, let's go for this. Okay, let's go for the airplane. Before I got. Okay. Okay, so we're here in the vacation. Yeah. 3 tickets, please, for. Okay, where you going? I'm going to be with you for Hawaii. Yeah, okay. So wait, tickets, please. Is it good? Do you have it mine? Yes, you have it mine. Okay, boys, go. Come on. Okay. Alright, everybody. So we hear the airplane. Welcome to the airplane costume. Today we're going to a vacation, Hawaii. Okay. We're here. And you? Me too. Okay. You girls and boys, you going to sit next to me? No, I'm fine. Okay, you say so. Oops, not open the door. Yeah. Okay, you say so. You girls and boys, you say. Mommy, what did this do? I don't know. Let's see the heavy pilots. Okay. So, ooh, this is my seat. Well, I think that my seat is perfect, and I want it to be. Oh, I want it to be full my seat, but I want it to be next to you. Okay, but I want it to be next to the window. Okay. Wait a minute. I think you see. Maybe the accident. See. Why is he not? We are coming. Oh. This excuse for a lady. Oh, is it put it white top over there? Oh yeah. Everyone's okay? Yeah, everything's fine. Hey, that's all. Wait a minute. Oh, that's okay. I think I wanted to snatch the window. Okay. Here coming, baby. Aw, so cute. You boy. Yeah. They were so cool. Oh my god. Okay, I'm going to be Apache. Attention everybody, we are going to Hawaii and please buckle your seatbelt and you go, okay? Okay. Oops, my cursor. Maybe I have a name. Attention passengers, we are with Hawaii. Yeah, we Hawaii. Please buckle your seatbelt, man. Okay. Attention passengers, we are in Hawaii and you will exist as a good town. Yes. Here we go. Man, hurry up. Okay, coming. She's creepy. Woohoo! We are happy here. Woohoo! Yeah, we here. Okay, I'm going to be happy and going to eat food. I want to be relaxing and I'm going to be sit. I'm going to be seatbelt and I'm going to be seatbelt. There. What is this? What is beats? Okay. I'm done and I go to eat for. I'm going to be. Okay, I'm gonna be a soft water and a bit cupcake. And I think this water for the girls and the boys. Okay, I'm gonna be down. Okay, I'm gonna be here and here and. Okay, what do you mean? So, hi friends, hi. Oh, I think it's stuck. Be stuck. Oh, there. Hello, man and boys. What do you like? I like cupcake and popsicle. Here we go. Thank you. You're welcome. And you cupcake for the too. Delicious. And you? No, thank you. No. No, thank you. Okay. Well, I don't want to be sick. I'm going to be bathroom. Okay, wash your hand. There. Oops. Okay, not. Well, do you know like? Well, I'm going to be seatbelt. Attention passengers. We are with a lemonade. What? A lemon? What do you mean? They were so listening. Kobasa! Shoot the chicken! Hold on! Hold on! the puzzle's over. Jeez. Oh no, try it again! Everyone's okay? Yeah, everything's okay. Oh, it's a dream. Oh, thank God. I could go to bed. Well, I think this is over.